How to send a part of a YouTube video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a YouTube video starting at a specific time. So as you know, YouTube is one of the most popular platforms offering everything from music to tutorials and much more. But what if you want to share a video and have it start at exact moment you want? Well, that's possible. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do it. So first, head to the link in the description in this video and this will take you to the shortcut that we will use. And when you open the link, you can simply tap on Get Shortcut button and this will open the shortcut apps on your phone. So from there, you simply need to tap on Add Shortcut and it will be added to your Shortcuts app, and once added, it should appear on your Shortcuts app homepage. And after that, open the YouTube app and find the video that you want to share. And once you have found the video, simply tap on the share button and scroll through the option and tap on more. And in the next page, scroll until you find the option labeled YouTube link with timestamp. And once you have found that, simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, a pop-up will appear asking you to enter the exact time from which you want the video to start. So enter the time, and once you have done that, you can simply tap on done. And now tap the copy button to copy the link, and you can then send this link to anyone, and when they click on it, the video will play from the exact time that you have selected. And now you have learned how to send a YouTube video from a specific time. Hope this helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll see you in the next video.